reception area, side entrance to the games room, some couches, relaxing area, and a pool table, a dartboard, and that leads out to the table tennis table and to the swimming pool. A trampoline right next to the games room, and then play area here, skateboard park. Just next to the skate ramp there is a obstacle course, some swings and jungle gym, communal bra area, and the shack, bandstand. And lots of tables and chairs. And then there's a pub area. Looks like counter there, serving counter. The entertaining area, unisex toilets. And then up to the pool area. Nice and clean pool. And a little paddling pool next to the main pool. Ablution block, ladies this side, gents on the other side. And then the laundry scullery over here in the middle. Gents ablution block, and I'm sure ladies is exactly the same. It is huge inside there. Lots of showers, toilets, basin, but very big. Washing lines, scullery. Got these little lights for load shedding. Facility for washing dishes only. And here's a spot for skottelbraai. And here's the laundry with washing machines and tumble dryer and washing troughs. Here's 5 rand coins. It leads up to the shack and the swimming pool. All the sites are well protected. Right by the river there's some benches, and tables, there's a bra area here, and volleyball court, and there's another bra area, some more benches and tables. So every 2 sites has got a tap, standard threaded tap, standard 15 amp plug. Each site has got its own dustbin.